We got some 26-inch Forgiatos. Oh my God!
With you, I was recording.
It's so great, I hate you. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So we're down here in McDonough, and we're gonna run. I've never been into Summit Racing before, and they've got a really big Summit Racing store down here in McDonough, right around the corner from Southern Tire. I'm sorry if there's wind noise. It's a really cold, windy day. We're gonna run into Summit. Have some fun. I'm super excited. There's a lot of cool stuff in here, and then we're gonna run and take a look at a truck that I think might top the 2020 that was on the channel a couple days ago, but we'll have to wait and see. So stay tuned, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Let's get it.
Oh yeah. How's it going? Oh wait, here we go.
There's so much stuff in here.
Look at this thing.
That's freaking cool. Yes.
Look at the turbo.
Dang, that's cool. Matte black turbo. They just have walls and aisles of truck parts, car parts. I mean, this is insane.
This 2.5 inches too.
Okay.
Inlet outlets. That's perfect.
The ones we just look at?
All the
So my transmission.
all the cook stuff.
Or transmission.
Shout out to Cooks.
Weeks ago, so I haven't.
Hey,
New sponsor? Question mark?
They had to cut my belt.
we working on it. We working. What is? That's got to be what, 4 or 5 inches?
That's probably a 5-inch.
As soon as I get that here,
Magnaflow, stepping it up. Look at, oh my goodness. Look at this. What do y'all think? 4 to 8 inch or 4 to 10 inch? Let me know in the comments. I'm still trying to decide on a tip for the silver truck. Let me know what you guys think.
No, this one right here.
8 inches, 10 inches.
Why are you even looking at that one? Bigger's always better. Not always,
Hey.
but.
Everybody likes a big tip. Anzo headlights. I like Anzo stuff, but I'm you know, you gotta stick with the guys over at Alpha Rex. Cab lights, light bars. I wonder if you can test it to turn on. Literally got everything. They're building something over here. We got, look, Ted, you need to come in here, man. Look, they got.
Look at that grill right there, up there. How sick is that grill?
How much are Jeep golfers here?
Probably expensive. Oh, these aren't. Wow.
I may be about.
Ted, that's all you, bro.
149.
That's my bike. Wait.
For the pair.
For this, and where's the rear?
I don't know.
Is that what
But
he-
still? I mean, 149 for 150 bucks for
Yo,
the
let me
pair.
make a
That's not
phone
bad.
call. I may be buying them bumpers right now.
What you down here looking at, Alex?
I need something to clean those new tires off with. I need like a degreaser or something. Look at this truck right here.
So popping a manual?
Look at this. Look at this. What we got? 375 40 24s. That's the move right there. Fox shocks, 24s. Damn, that's clean. But that's not why I came. I came for a different truck. Holy hell.
They're 16 wides.
They're 16 wides, but they're on 20s.
What's the rim size?
They're 20s.
What is 20?
Hey, look, y'all were giving me crap yesterday about the wreath, and they still got theirs on. So shut up. Stop telling me about the damn wreath. That's huge. I don't know. They're probably 46s. These are huge, though. That's so big. I don't know. That's too big for me. I don't like that. This is more my speed over here. 2020, 2021. We got some 26-inch Forgiatos. These are not cheap. I will tell you right now, these are not cheap. on some, what, 40 by 1550, the Toyos. We got a full 16-inch bulletproof lift kit. You said it was 16 inches?
Yeah,
16-inch bulletproof lift kit with the dual shocks, all powder coated white. This thing is huge. I love this truck though. Got the chrome with the silver and brushed Forgiatos. I mean, this truck is clean as hell. Silverado on some 40s. What y'all think?
So my upper control arms have that mount, so I could do that on mine if I wanted to.
You absolutely need to do that.
That's expensive.
So we've had a lot of 2020 Duramaxes on the channel recently, and to be honest, oh, I'm stepping in a huge anthill right there. To be honest, I really like this one, but I think I like Kyle's a little bit better. Kyle's, the colors do it just a little bit more for me. So Kyle, your truck is definitely up there as far as where I grade trucks. I think Kyle's is a little bit nicer than this. I like Kyle's better than this. I like the Forces and the copper lift kit better than the white, to be honest. I mean, that's just my opinion. But my personal favorite, definitely the 1500 on 14s and 375s, because this is really the direction that I want to go with my truck. Is something like this. We've got the Kryptonite upper control arms, the Fox coilovers, 24 by 14s with the 375, 40 24s. I mean, that's just a stupid clean look, and that's definitely how I want to go with my truck in the Tahoe. That's tough though. Which would you choose? The Silverado or the 1500 or the Duramax? I mean, Duramax is nice, 1500's nice. That's tough. That's a tough choice. So Thomas's upper control arms, you got the Cognito?
Yeah, and they had that mount for it.
Thomas's Hummer has the mounts on top of this, so he can do the dual reservoir shocks as well, and the hoop up top. And I think he should do it. He's going back and forth whether he should do it or not.
I mean, maybe after I do the...
He needs to stop pussyfooting around.
Send it.
I agree. He should put a bigger lift kit on it and then do that. You know, that's probably the better way to go. Yeah, put a bigger lift kit on it and then do that. But I would love to be able to do this to my truck as well at some point. Before we jump into the video today, I want to give a huge shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Cap Spot. I was actually scrolling through Instagram one day and I saw these guys that make these really cool hat holders for your car or truck. And I shot them a DM and I said, hey, I love your product, love to get one. So they sent me a couple of them to do a review on the channel. And literally, I mean, it's super, super simple. Cap Spot. You put it on your what is this, the fold down mirror, and it
Visor.
The visor, yeah, sorry. And you literally, I mean, it's got a couple straps, you strap it around, and then literally each side, sorry, super simple. You got one strap on each side, and then bam, you've got the perfect little
No, we're getting there. We're good. Hold on, you guys.
I guess you gotta go other side of the mirror. That works.
That's it. Yeah, look how easy the other way.
Well, let me try to
bam, you got a hat holder. I feel like that's so cool though. It's like
that is honestly legit, because I keep my hat on my dash.
Yeah, I see so many people that keep their dash covered with hats, and this is the easiest way. I mean, you can literally just take your hat off, fold it in, or don't fold it in, and then bam, there you go. Your hat's up there.
Just
now,
like
and so one thing that I will tell you guys, Christina thought that this, because when I told her about this, she thought that that was going to be a blind spot, like it was going to bother her. And maybe if you're sitting in the passenger seat, that might get annoying to have that sitting right there. But I mean, if you don't have a lot of passengers with you, or if you just don't care what your passengers think, I think it's an awesome product. Make sure you guys go follow them on Instagram. I'm going to put it on the screen and in the link below. You shout out to Cap Spot. Awesome product, guys.
Oh shit, I wasn't recording.
Oh my god!
I'm fucking with you, I was recording.
I was gonna say, that was so great. That was so great. I hate you. So we get back from Summit and Thomas hasn't heard the open headers on the single cab. And me and Shamar were talking about it earlier, how, what if this thing shoots flames? He wanted to know. So we dropped a camera under there And look what we found. Look, this thing actually shoots flames. This is like absolutely insane. So I think what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to do like a side exit on the side. We're gonna have to fabricate some kind of exhaust so we can try and shoot flames out of the side. My camera's about to die. I'll see you guys next time. Let's get this bread.
That's what I'm talking about.